Struggling with drooping plants, tired of pests ruining your garden? Or maybe you just want your plants to grow faster and healthier? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm revealing 7 mind-blowing gardening hacks that will transform your garden. And trust me, you'll wish you knew these sooner. Stick around till the end for a hack that will double your harvest with almost zero effort. Stop throwing away eggshells. They're garden gold. Rich in calcium, they help strengthen plant roots, prevent blossom end rot, and even keep pests away. Just crush them and sprinkle around your plants. It's that simple. Bonus tip: mix eggshells with vinegar to create a supercharged liquid calcium booster for your plants. Going on vacation? Or just forget to water your plants sometimes? Here's a genius self-watering hack. All you need is a plastic bottle. This slow-release watering system keeps plants hydrated for days. Perfect for tomatoes, cucumbers, and indoor plants. Pests in your soil? Ants, fungus gnats, and even mold hate cinnamon. Simply sprinkle it over the soil to keep your garden pest-free naturally. No chemicals needed. Bonus: mix cinnamon with water to make a fungal-resistant spray. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Exactly what your plants need to grow big and strong. Just blend banana peels with water for an instant natural fertilizer, or bury them near plant roots for a slow-release nutrient boost. Want seeds to sprout faster? Here's a trick. Wrap them in a damp paper towel, place them in a plastic bag, and keep them in a warm spot. In just a few days, they'll be ready to plant. Pro tip: this works best with tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Don't toss your used coffee grounds. They enrich soil, improve drainage, and keep slugs away. Just mix them into your compost or sprinkle around acid-loving plants like roses, blueberries, and hydrangeas. This one simple trick will double your harvest. Pruning. By removing excess leaves, your plant focuses energy on growing fruit instead of extra foliage. Try it on tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. You'll be amazed at the results. There you have it, 7 clever gardening hacks that will change the way you garden forever. Which hack will you try first? Comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening magic.